Okay, this is, crap. Elijah, why is there freaking flashlight on?
Turn it off. We're such video.
Hey guys, it is Legit Fighter and
Ghost Killer!
and we are gonna be playing another game. I know right here it's gonna be a little bit blurry because we have no idea how to turn off the flashlight on this.
And I just got Typhoon for my Vector.
And it's pretty sexy. I wasn't in the last video because I had to go home early and Ghost Killer did a video without me. So every once in a while we will be doing Black Ops 2 and GTA.
That's all I got, just in it.
Eventually, when we get Titanfall, which I know, guys, we're really late because it's been out for like 2 months now, but eventually we'll get it and we'll play it together and we'll make a bunch of videos with
Come
it.
back here, you bitch. Come back here. Come back here, bitch. Oh gosh.
That guy didn't even see you.
I know, it's because I'm black. He can't see me in the dark. Oh, I see you. Oh! Stupid, I need red dot sight for this gun. Should we want to do 2 matches of recording?
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 matches. We're gonna do this one, and then we're gonna do another match.
Take that, you little bitch.
Maybe.
I almost had the kill! Stupid!
Don't spaz out.
Shut up. Get that out of my face.
Is it too bright for y'all? You don't like the fashion. You don't like the fashion. Oh, sorry, that was my hand.
I see somebody.
In like 1 to 3, probably 5 to 6 matches, we're probably gonna go and switch to GTA and make a video on that. But only 2 of the videos are gonna be.
Oh, you stupid bouncing Betty! Oh, those levels are my god.
He plays the shooting games. I play the the Grand Theft Auto games.
Rockstar.
Yeah, I play Rockstar's games, and he plays Call of Duty games.
Oh, stupid freaking sniper! Oh, you stupid!
You
butt.
mad? Oh no!
I'm not mad. Or not.
Fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken so fin you're licking.
Dun. It's called being skills right there. I'm scared. He comes down here on my screen.
Here, I want to try to. That might help a little bit with the TV. I'm not sure. Sorry, that's my hand again.
Oh gosh! Freaking going.
He was killed by one of those guys. I'm not sure.
This game.
Why do you? If you hate the game, why do you play it, huh?
I don't know, cause I love it.
That makes no freaking sense.
I'm gonna take this thing down like a boss. Oh yeah, yeah! Fried chicken! Fried chicken! Yeah, I'm using the Vector because I'm black. Oh!
This is how I hold the camera. This is how a noob holds the camera. It's always shaking. Fried chicken. Chicken. Fried chicken so finger licking. Fried chicken. Fried chicken.
Stop here.
Chicken so finger licking.
Ersi, stop! You're making me die!
Chicken.
Shut up!
Fried chicken.
I'm gonna have to listen to my beats to calm me down.
Beats are gay.
Look who's talking.
You saying I'm gay?
Yeah. I didn't fucking stutter. I see you. Come back here, you bitch. Ah! 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 It's called skills right there. Oh.
It's not real skills too, Goni.
That's a sexy gun right there. Oh, you sniper! You suck! Lucky your mom's here.
Oh, crap. Oh, sorry, crap. Dropped it. And tonight, we're gonna make a couple videos about, like, ding-dong ditching and hardcore parkouring.
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm gonna get a big boner. I'll show you guys my camo when I get red outside on. I'm just doing really bad because I just like ate dinner and crap, so I'm doing really bad because my hands are slippery. And,
Yeah, we just got done eating a bunch of freaking like delicious
food
and
fried chicken.
Yeah, fried chickiano.
Oh, you stupid! I didn't bring my ghost game because I'm at my friend's house. But I bring my beats cuts.
Jeez, what pistols are those duels? Ooh,
5.7.
nice. 5.7s. Oh, they silenced?
No. Oh crap! I'm not playing this game. I'm gonna play this
Fried
game.
chicken of Sophia licking. Fried chicken, Sophia licking. If you're wondering what all that noise is, it's random people having like the world's cruddiest mics.
Here we go. Oh,
over there. You might not be able to see it, but it's like right by the green cup. It's like right here, right there. That's his beats. My mic sucks. Those are his amazing beats. Oh, final kill cam. Let's check this out. Ooh. Quick scope with the DSR, and we are in second to last place, and the top person is that douchebag.
I don't know mine.
Well, you want to end the video now? Or?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. This is, God, the light's so bright. This is Legit Fighter and Ghost Killer, and peace!
Oh, yeah.